this pipe is still hot. Do not pull this apart, okay? Just don't do it. That's something I recommend. I let it cool off first, and I said this in a previous video that I'll link right here about Savinelli, is let it relax, let it do its thing, let it cool off, and what I like to do is leave it alone, and then before I smoke it the next time, I will do exactly what I'm doing right now. I will pull it apart here, okay? As you can see here, I don't use filters. I'm not a filter person. I just prefer not to use them. Alright, so you take one of these pipe cleaners here, alright, open it up. Let's see here. Okay, what I like to do is pull this right here, like that, and you see all these little things that are flying around. You'll actually get that in your pipe. So I would take this like this, pull it, and you see all those flying around. So take this, insert it in here. Sometimes this is easier than other times, but take it, pull it through, and as you can see here, it's not too dirty. So then you take it, push it through again, out the other end. Okay, then you push down in here. You can see clearly that's where it is. Okay, and then you can do the other side if you prefer. Alright, then what you would do normally is, if you like to smoke with filters, some people change filters out every time, but you put the filter, or new filter, or old filter, however you prefer. Since I don't use filters, I just put this back together, put it back in there, okay, and we're good to go. And as you can see, it has a nice char in here, and we're ready to pack it and start smoking again. So this is how you clean a pipe and get it ready to go back into smoking. If you guys want to follow my daily content, my Instagram is linked down in the description. And if you guys want to come back for more reviews and men's topics, please subscribe to my channel, and y'all have a wonderful day.